Hi, I'm Corey Pena from Lamont Brothers. And today I want to talk about the waterproofing technology that we decided we wanted to test on our laminate flooring. People used to use vinyl because of its waterproofing technology, but we wanted to test and see how much the laminate floor waterproofing core has evolved over time. So we did 2 tests on 5 different types of flooring. The first test, where the seams are, where the flooring meet together, and the second are on scuffs, scratches, and dents. So you're probably wondering how we did this to achieve our tests. We 3D printed these rings. We glued them down in our affected areas over the joints and dents and scratches, and then we poured water in them and let them set for 24 hours. As you can see from our selections, I want to note that they are ranked in our good, better, and best. This one specifically from Home Depot probably will not arrive in your selections when we go through the design process. So as you can see here, this is the home decor flooring from Home Depot. What I do want to note is when we did our test, the rise in our seams and where our dents and scratches were was significantly higher than it was as it evaporated. It's hard to see, but you can feel the warps in each of these seams. This one right here is a water resistant material. Because it's not a waterproof core, you're gonna see more of an impact when we did our waterproof test. On our seams, you saw a slight rise. As you can feel it now, it's a lot less. In fact, almost non-existent. On our dents, you definitely feel the impact. What's beautiful about this material is when we did the scratch and dent test on this, it still took a lot of work to get them impacted on the floor. On our RevWood Select from Mohawk, again, there is very little impact. There was a slight rise when we did the 24-hour test, but now it has gone down almost to a non-existent level. The dents, again, were still really, really hard, but to the touch, I'm not feeling too much of a rise anymore. This is also not a fully waterproof material. This is water resistant. So let's get into Evoke's waterproof laminate flooring. As you can see from the side here, it has a dark black core in comparison to our last Mohawk RevWood. Now this one, when we did our waterproof test, we saw zero impact to the material, even on the scratches and scuffs. This was really, really hard to do an impact on. It took a lot of work to get this fractures to the material. This one is Mohawk's RevWood Plus. When we did our field test on the seams and scratches, again, we saw zero impact to the material, and it was also really hard to get the scratches on the surfaces here. So as you can see, our mid-level and high-level laminate flooring really withstood the test and seemed to be worth the price. These are floorings that you'd probably want to put inside of kitchens and bathrooms if you were really interested in the waterproof technology. If you really like this video, leave us a comment below on something else that you'd like to see tested throughout our products. If you're interested in doing any flooring throughout your home, or you're interested in doing a full remodel, reach out to us on our website and schedule a call with our next design consultant.